Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacy, another in its series, One Day in the Garden. What do gardeners do in the garden? Today is just a continuation of what I've already started. I am just reorganizing my garden. So I'm getting this space ready to transplant my eggplants, sweet peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, and a few carrots. Did you say carrots? Yes, I did say carrots. Guys, by now you know I am not scared to try anything in my garden. But that I did before, so I'm not worried. Adding some chicken manure to the soil to amend it a little. And of course, mixing it in. I'm uprooting the eggplants to transplant them. Getting these 2 little sweet peppers, I am going to uproot the plants. Getting all the other sweet pepper plants. Now time to get the carrots. I put them in water right away. Getting some onion seedlings. Now let's plant all the carrots. I will definitely give you an update. I do expect the leaves to shed a little, but not a big deal for me. Now planting all the onion seedlings I have here in my garden, and I do grow all my onions from seeds. So I'm uprooting all that is here and harvesting what I can get. Now you see them, now you don't. Harvesting these callalus and planting back the roots, except this time over here. Uprooting radish seedlings to replant. Nice little harvest here for breakfast. So I did transplant my cabbages. Thought I had the camera rolling, but I guess that was in my dreams. But all I did was to arrange them differently. Potting up these scotch bonnet peppers with the other 4 I did already. I have not yet decided where I want to put them just yet. So I'm uprooting these corns right here. They are not doing well. And I think that's because they're not getting enough sun right here. I was going to wait on them a little more, but I need to get going, so it is what it is. The soil I gathered right here and taking up now is to sow some seeds with. I don't usually use a potting mix, I just take it straight from my garden. So I decided to put all the pepper plants I potted up beside the carrots right here. I am just going to add some manure here. Move these sorrels to somewhere else. So here are my seeds I will be sowing. The link to them on Amazon is in my description. I do get a small commission when you use it. No cost to you, of course. I will not be naming them at this time though. As time goes by, you'll know of them. I could use this tray right here, but I decided to repurpose these egg trays instead since I have them. So I will be doubling them for durability when I water the seeds. So excited about all these lettuces I'm about to sow. Not gonna show you everything here, but just a little glance. First of all, I am out of labels. I completely forgot to order some. Not readily available here. And so I went and got some clothespins. All I did was to pull them apart and use them. So I just make a hole in the middle, place the seeds inside and pat it down. When I'm done sowing all my seeds, I put them somewhere where they can get sunlight. I spray them with water and I'll definitely keep them moist throughout. So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.